What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you all joining me. In today's video, we are installing some Vland taillights on the F-150, if you guys can read the title. Now let's go ahead and open this box up and see what kind of taillights we got. Well, we know they're Vlands, but what version? This thing up, very well packaged. Damn, extremely well packaged. I didn't even know they pack stuff up, man. My blade is like so dull. Let's see here. Whoa, massive styrofoam here, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Nicely packaged. These things are not going anywhere during shipping, so that's nice to know. Ooh, baby. Yeah, these things are gorgeous. Alright folks, here are the taillights out of package and everything that came in, laid out in front of us. These are the smoked out versions. Now, Vland does also have a clear housing version, entirely your preference. You guys can see here, we got some red running lights, we got some clearance lights, reverse lights, brake lights. These all turn on. I don't know why I'm talking to you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug these in and show you just how awesome these tail lights are. But let's go ahead and unravel these things. This might be a little hard with one hand. That just shows that these things are very well protected. Woo! Look at that, boys. Beautiful. The blacked out does look really nice compared to other housings. This one looks really good. Some reflection lights. Not only that, guys, but we also do have this plug and play adapter harness for 2015s to 2017 F-150s. If yours is 2018 13th gen, then you're solid. You don't need to worry about that. But let's go ahead and turn over this one since it still has its plastic. Now these, you can see, already has the baluster. Literally plug and play, guys. This is meant for F-150s with the halogen taillights. These are already aftermarkets, but these will not work if you have the Bliss option on your taillights. This is strictly for your basic halogen trucks. This is all I have right now. On the old one, we did have some balusters here, but remove those. These are very ugly and hideous. Meanwhile, these, look at that. High quality, guys. I like it. Now, removal of the taillights is super simple. Literally, these two little bolts come right off, just like this side. Pluck this one in here. The other one was kind of tucked up behind my tailgate assist, but it's there. And no need to look at my bad wrap, guys. Just disregard that. And that is it, guys. Housing is there. It has these like two clips over here. Plop off the taillight and you are in town, boys. Installation is super simple, guys. Literally just one plug, and then you just plop in those clips and reinstall those two bolts. And hang on, let me just open and close my door. So as you guys can tell, these are our running lights. Little clearance marker on the side. Very beautiful, guys. Now to show you my old school aftermarkets. It's got one running LED, but look at that. We got a reverse light bulb. It's not so good, but this one, guys, all LEDs. So let's go ahead and finish up the other side, and I'm going to show you reverse, brake, and normal running lights. So we just completed the installation. Those two bolts, popped it in place, and this taillight is absolutely beautiful, guys. The housing is actually super nice, and the fitment is 100 times better. Got to be careful with other aftermarket taillights, guys. They may be cheap, but the fitment just isn't there, guys. I'm super happy with this. Let's go ahead and do the last one, and then we'll do the brake, reverse, running light test, guys. All that good stuff. Don't forget, if you have a 2015, 2017, these come with an adapter harness, so you're good on that end. But reminder, guys, don't be buying this if you have a nicer model truck than me. This is an XL truck. So if you got like a Platinum or the Lariat, you probably have that bliss system in your taillights. These won't work for you guys, unfortunately. There we have it, folks. Vland taillights, smoked out version. Very cool, guys. There you have it, guys. Vland taillights, the smoked out option. Check them out on F1truckmods.com. Pick yourselves up a pair. Super easy installation. Literally takes 15 minutes to swap out both taillights. And boy, oh boy, is it a world of a difference. And I absolutely love these taillights, guys. Can't wait. Kind of just want to drive them out right now at night.